Hey guys, Dirt and Rust. I just got back from the flea market. I thought I'd make a quick video and show you what I got. Um, this Carpenter's hatchet ended up costing me $6. I got this one actually and that other hatchet down there for $12 for both. This one's a True Temper. I think flint edge there. Nice little hatchet. Okay, I got this ball peen hammer, Klein tools. This was $2. Got this Stanley claw hammer, Octagon neck and face. Looks like 18 ounce. Okay, then I got this Worth ball peen hammer. This was $2. Okay, and then I got this wrench for $1. I've never seen this wrench before, so I picked it up. I've never seen this logo, so I'm gonna have to look that up. Let me know if you guys know who the maker is on this. It has an M there. That's a new one for me, for sure. Okay, and last, we got this little hatchet here, Collins. Looks like it says Red Seal. This might be called a claw hatchet. I think these ones with the little dip down here are called claw hatchets. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong on that, but so that ended up $6 actually for the two hatchets. It was $12. Guy wanted 10 a piece for the hatchets, so I was able to save, yeah, $8. So I'm happy with what I got.